Wait lang guys. Hindi pa tapos. Mayroong commercial.
Try something new. Where is Sonia? There she is. Sonia! I mean it when I say it truly is my great pleasure to grant your heart's desire to sew the most beautiful dresses in all the land.
Saba, waited so long, see? Yeah, let's have a look at your hopes.
Huwag ka mahulog.
Asha,
Guys, dito yun ako pumunta.
obviously I will not be offering you the position of my
Wait lang guys. May commercial na naman. Hindi ba ako?
Today, I'll show you how to make friends on Uni. Click on the character.
That one well. Say thanks. Are you hungry?
See guys, nakita niyo na? Nakalabas na ako.
Dig it and enjoy.
You're right, Saba. We should be looking at the bright side.
Pwede mo anong gusto mo gawin dito. Pero bawal ka pumunta doon sa other side. Ay gagi, huwag ka mahulog.
Saba,
Sa ulo.
Cheers.
Isa pa.
Asha,
Pupunta na ako dito. Kailangan gumanyan ka lang sa karakter. Ito.
I need to tell you something.
Tell me what, son?
I don't think your
Suso!
wish will ever be granted. Why would you say such a thing? Because the king told me so.
Guys, tingnan mo, masushoot ba to?
He said it's too
Hindi.
dangerous to do. No, that's the thing. I don't think it is at all. You did. So you should know what it is.
No, don't say anything.
But it's so beautiful.
Look clearly.
Bro, nandito ako nakalabas oh.
Saba, what
Mas pwede ka lang umikot kaso huwag ka lang pumunta dito sa ano na to.
He has made everything
Guys,
possible for us.
tingnan mo pag pumunta ka makakaganyan.
If I did, you would understand. It's not just yours.